Hi, Andre. Can you hear me? So market is gapping down a bit or just a pullback, and Baba, uh, Bitcoin stock, and Uber are going up. So Baba is definitely in the play. Uber is also looks really good, and I like the Uber. And I'm making these two levels here, and really good bullish flags here. Let's see some gap down stocks. What we have in the gap down. There's nothing much in my list for gap down as well. Low volume day again. I have a Fubo, Plug, TLRY, but these are the stocks which usually come. Let's look at the dailies of that. Does we have any room to go further down? So TLRY is now coming to that support, and now average day is almost 1.5 days. So there's not much volatility here on the TLRY. Let's check the Fubo. Fubo looks good to me, but I think it might be more bullish than the bearish. It's a good volume came in. Do you have any other stocks, Andrea? Yeah, no, I know Uber. Yeah, Uber, I think so. Yeah, these are more active stocks. So yeah, I like that Uber as well. Let's check the Nuan. Yeah, Nuan is gapping up, but there's not much uh, range here. So it's just got stuck after gapping up. So I don't know. Uh, these stocks usually either stay in the same level or they just gap down. Hi, Luis. But Uber looks really good. Uber and Baba are the very nice stocks. You look at the way they're making a bull flag. Uber is making bull flag. Definitely is really good. Yeah, PLTR is uh, trying to break this level and is making a bull flag. I think PLTR is also good. But you know, right? PLTR is really dump you. I mean, it started going up and suddenly he's gonna dump you. Uh, so it's hard to trade with that, but it's really looks good at this point. I mean, ranges are really good. So definitely, I would shortlist Baba, Fubo, Uber. Yeah, wheat stock lows are all down. But you know, I don't see there's much room into it. I mean, they already came so much down. It may be this is a time, this is a trap. Maybe people started shorting today and it may go back up again. It might be a trap now. Because see, if you look at the TLRY, let me show you the TLRY. Look at this, means it is if you look at the daily, from 67 is already now $18, right? So not much room left, right? Um, it might go back again at the $6 level, but I don't think so that since there is a Democrat uh, have a plan in place for weed, I don't think it's gonna that quickly go. And you see this big support on 17, on 16th, so it might be a day to bounce, I guess. So this is gapping down and testing this support, which is at the $15, 14.50, and it's now bouncing back up. So right now is almost reversed this consolidation. So now you need to see if you're planning for a long, you need to see and wait for the retest of 15.20. Because it might be people started shorting at this level because this is the resistance. So if you're gonna go long, you might see a good pullback from here. So this is not a place to long. Long you can only go if is break this, move back up, come down, and then if it's try to move up, then you can take that. At this point, people are maybe shorting. All right, if you guys have no other stocks, then again today is a low volume day. We will take it slowly. Match looks, I mean, it's gapping up, but there's no volume. So, is there any news? Yeah, daily. You're right. Daily is good. It has a room to go all the way to test the 157 support. And if you look at the daily, it came down from all the way to 141st, then is bounced back, and then it came down back up again to the 20. So it's almost $27 range here. From here, if you look at it, see here. So from the top, it came here almost $34. Then it went back up $17. Then it came down again almost $27. Now it went back up $17. So if you see here from this consolidation is almost $17 range. So it might be this is the false one and it may just come down back again, or is maybe that this time is wanted to break and reach to this resistance. So it can be either of the thing. So give some time to get some volume, pick up the trend, and then you can ride the trend. So it's a big support on 23. Uh, which industry is this? Which let me check. Okay, so it's a computer hardware technology company. So see now Nasdaq is recovering, QQQ is recovering. Okay, today is a pullback day. I'm not sure whether you would see the breakdown unless you have a catalyst on this news. Usually, if the indexes are going up, you hardly see the breakdown on the stock unless you have a catalyst. So if you see a catalyst, then if there's a news around this, then you might see a breakdown under this. Otherwise, it might just go sideways or bounce back like this because it's gonna be triple bottom. So here one time tested, second time tested, third time tested. Now it's testing four time. But if it's gonna break this, is really we is a good room here. The point is that whether it's gonna break or not. So just keep an eye. Right now it is under the previous day, but it's still under above the support. So mark these levels. Do not short them on the first time when it's going to touch this because it might likely going to bounce back up again. Yeah, could be a continuation play, right? Yeah, looks good. But maybe it's just a consolidation on on this day. So we cannot tell. All right, guys, I have to step out. Uh, hope you had a great time and have a green day.